for anyone who's interested in finding a bit more about the island and asking questions, we get to the end of the month. I think it's the 30th actually this month. Last Friday of the month anyway, 8 p.m. on YouTube, I do like a live Q&A. And a lot of time we're just chatting and talking, and it's grown. It's, 10, 15, 20 people now, 30 people. And then we just kind of, I'm sure it'll be more this next time. When people ask questions about moving here, I can't give financial advice, but I can tell you, sort of answer questions that I can about schools, about transferring, about moving, about life. People ask questions about faith as well, which is absolutely fine. And some people ask questions about hiking and camping, the gear I use, best walks. Some people make suggestions of where I could go next, that sort of thing. It's all fine. There's loads we talk about.